Your phone is in there. A deaf. What's like, bro?
Hey, Kizzy.
Who's go? Shut up, I don't know. Michael, look. Oh, fuck that. Suck it, blood, suck it, fuck his dick. Fuck him in here, bro. Two way.
I bet shit.
I missed it, blood.
Somebody, what you saying?
Blood, I'm fucked, blood. How are you, blood?
Quick, everyone.
Nah.
Get to that bench now.
Hey, Jules, what are you saying? Jules.
Nah, you're going if I'm pissed and I'm not.
Quickly. Like, oh,
I pulled.
Who is it?
I sing like my nan.
These people are too fucked to that. I'm the only sober one here. Hey Ben, how you feeling? Ben, no. Hey Ben, where you going? Hey Ben, don't try it. Hey, come on. Are you fucked? Ben, are you fucked?
Listen, I'm cool. Aaron is fucked. Philip just give head to Kiri about 10 seconds ago.
Okay, no.
I've got head of Ahmed.
Buddy.
Shit! You've got
Ahmed! I've got Ahmed and Tex!
I'm saying.
Q, what are you saying? I say something Q, man.
No, I'm cool.
Exactly, you're cool, Q. You're sober, bruv. Where you going, man? He's pissed. He's fucked.
That you, yeah?
Cuz, what are you saying? Cuz.
Hey, why is there flashing lights, bruv? What the
There ain't no
fuck?
flashing lights. There's no flashing
I
lights.
see light and I smell shit. What the fuck? Hey! Bamano! Put that on Facebook, man. Put that on Facebook. Oh shit, so good, man. You're fucking Dragon Ball Z. You're Dragon Ball Z. Give it to me.
I used to jam that. Hey Rev, what are you saying? You got fucked. Are you alright?
That black, man.
Shut up, man.
Hey, my phone, you cunt.
I swear, I'll make this hurt himself.
This dropped all this. What are you on?
Wait, let's see this.
Guys throwing boyos at people, blood. Shit.
Ahmed. Oh my god.
Fuck off, man.